All right, and tonight the top story, where 2 years after the first case of COVID-19 that was reported in the country, the government has relaxed prevention protocols and lifted orders on mandatory wearing of face masks in open spaces.
Now, Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe, however, maintains face masks will be required in indoor gatherings as well as public transport.
And as Nancy Okware reports, the move has been informed by the low COVID-19 positivity rate recorded in the past month, as well as high uptake of vaccines.
South Africa and most European countries have also relaxed some of these COVID-19 prevention measures.
On Friday, Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe announced relaxing of COVID-19 prevention protocols.
The mandatory wearing of face masks in open public spaces is now lifted. Nonetheless, people are encouraged to maintain social distancing and avoid crowding in public spaces to ensure risk of spread is limited. We, however, encourage the use of masks in all indoor functions. The passenger service vehicles, trains, and air flight operators are to ensure that their staff are fully vaccinated, while all travelers should have their face mask at all times during the course of travel.
The public can now congregate freely, with in-person worship and attendance of sports events expected to resume at full capacity.
For resumption of sports, protocols to be revised for spectators to be allowed back into sporting venues as long as they are vaccinated without masks. All in-person worship is to resume at full capacity as long as all the congregants and worshippers are vaccinated.
Those unvaccinated at any point of entry will be required to present a negative COVID-19 test conducted not more than 72 hours before departure.
Unvaccinated truck drivers shall be required, however, to be in possession of negative COVID-19 PCR tests with a validity of maximum of 14 days prior to travel.
Relaxation of prevention measures has been attributed to the low COVID-19 positivity rate of below 1% for the past 1 month and the uptake of the vaccines.
Siwezi kukueleza ati niseme ati mwezi wa Mei ama June hatutaregea tena kuanza kuweka barakoa kila pahali. Hiyo ni mambo ya kesho. Maombi yetu ni tusifike hapo. Na njia ya sisi kuzuia kufika hapo ni mambo ya kuchanjwa.
The news has been welcomed by Kenyans across the country.
Unaona, kuvaa mask kwa mtu kama mimi mwenye niko na disease kama ya asthma huwa inanipea shida sana sometimes. Nikitembea hasa nikipanda mlima nikiwa na mask, hiyo inaniumiza.
Sasa hivi ya free, sasa tunahisi tuko free kwa sababu anytime police angekupata bila mask angekushika na the least ungetoa ni let's say 1,000.
In town as you walk, you wondering, will I get caught by the police and what will they ask me for? You know the bribes in Kenya, and yeah. So at least now you're free.
In the last 24 hours, Kenya recorded 20 new COVID-19 cases out of 6,123 samples tested. This representing a 0.3% positivity rate. Today, no death resulting from COVID-19 was recorded, with the total fatalities standing at 5,644. The country has so far administered vaccines to over 17 million people. While the relaxation of some of the measures may have come as a relief to many, the Ministry of Health officials have maintained that the country is not completely out of the woods, hence they need to continue exercising caution. Nancy Okware reporting for Easy Friday from Afya House, Nairobi.